Hey, what's up, guys? What it is? It's your boy G. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, guys, we'll be breaking down German 30. On the previous video, we broke down USD CAD using support and resistance and trendline strategies. So on this video, we'll be breaking down German 30, studying on a higher time frame, going to a lower time frame, doing our top-down analysis, basically. So today it's NFP. It's in it's in 40 minutes from now, or an hour, I can say, from now. So let's break down German 30, guys. German 30. So today, what are we doing? Let me find my highest high. I'm looking for German 30 to break that highest high, guys. Reason being said is because obviously all of the indices they've been buying, they've been bullish. US 30 has been bullish. Nasdaq has been bullish. Uh, So now your German 30 is a slow reactor, is a late reactor, I can say. So yeah, right now I'm looking for buying opportunities on German 30. Um, for the week, I can say that it has already retraced. Even last week, guys, this thing was bullish. It gave us a low here, retesting the previous highs of the breakout here. Previous high breakout retest, correct? So right now, from Monday this month, this week of Monday, this week of June, which is was the last week and the first week, this thing was just correcting. So it's NFP week. It's correcting to the downside, getting price to the downside to go get more buyers. Basically, that's my theory on weekly time frame and daily time frame. If we move quickly on daily time frame, uh, daily time frame, guys, you all guys can see that this thing it's been inside of this correction for that long. You understand? So it came here and bounced on our buying area and also kind of did touched the areas at the resistance, right? So this is my support, this is my resistance, and price is currently in between levels, right? So remember, this is our our daily time frame, and already we know the story. We are inside of a correction of a bull trend, right? So we go down in a 4 hour, go down on a 4 hour. Our last touch was on support, so we got down on a 4 hour real quick. 4 hour, we are looking for a trend. On 4 hour, I'm looking for a trend, an overall trend. So what do I see? Okay, so on that support, on the daily support, this is our daily support, right? That we identified on daily time frame. So on this support here, what do I see? I see a an inverse head and shoulders. Okay, inverse head and shoulders. I don't know if you all guys can see it, but well, I see it. This is an inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders is a bullish pattern that signifies that price will be sooner or in a long term moving to an upside, to the upside. So this is a bullish pattern, guys. Go research your patterns on forex. We have an inverse head and shoulders. We also have a head and shoulders. So a head and shoulders, it's a bearish pattern that signifies that price will be going to the downside. So this one it's an opposite, which means that price will be going to the upside. Okay, fine. What happened, guys? What happened is that on Monday, price dropped after break of Friday and Thursday. Price broke our neckline of the head and shoulders, which is this area here. It broke down the neckline of the pattern of the head and shoulders, came back and retest. So this is the retest of the what of the previous resistance turning into support. So right now we are at the neckline. Price gave us a double bottom, two touches there, as you guys can see. Those are 2 weeks there. Let me do this. So yesterday it gave us this low, printed price, the printed this low, and then if I go down again on a lower time frame, now that we know that price should be going to the upside, uh we go on a lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, we start searching for psychological levels. You know, we search for psychological levels. This is my psychological level because we have a breakout and a retest, and also this is a pattern, the pattern that I was talking about. So right now, guys, I trust and believe that this thing price has to push to the upside, no matter what type of situation NFP can come with. You understand? So this is what is going on. First touch, second touch, push back to the neckline, retesting the neckline, pushing back to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for, guys, for today on German 30. That is what I'm looking for. So my interest should be somewhere around in these areas, and my target is somewhere around there. Tomorrow, it's my stop loss will be somewhere just below the previous closing candle on. Okay, this is like during New York on Wednesday. Okay, sharp. This is the previous low. So yeah, sharp. Just right below the previous low, that will be where my candle, I mean my stop loss will be. But you guys know, if I find with certain amount, I'm always willing to lose that amount on that account. If I find with 500, I'm willing to lose 500. So basically, what I'm saying is that I never put my stop loss as me. I always trade without a stop loss, but I know it's okay. Using risk management, I need stop loss, but that stop loss doesn't have to be activated. I will be the stop loss. You understand? So, okay, fine. I hope you guys understood. We go down on 30 minutes. So here we are predicting the 1430 movement that is about to happen, right? We are predicting that movement. Let's go down on 30 minutes, and then we'll stop on 30 minutes. Our analysis will end here on 30 minutes. You guys can see what is going on already on 30 minutes. We price printed this double bottom, right? Yes, we spoke about it on higher time frames. And then what happened? What happened is price continued to the upside and then came back and retest the breakout, right? The breakout or the neckline or the previous high that was broken previously last night, right? Because here price broke it last night, even in the morning it kept on pushing up. So right now, what are we expecting? We are expecting for price to push up, because now it's telling us that we are respecting this low, and now we are printing a new low here. So my buy positions should be on this new low. Then I hold my stop losses right below this week here. Then yeah, we chop, guys. We chop, we chop, we chop. With that being said, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, do so. It's absolutely for free to subscribe, guys. Keep the channel growing. Watch until the end. Do the good stuff, guys. Tango.